Okay, I'm going to show you how to put this fitting, push fitting, hose fitting onto your pump sprayer. And here, start off with putting this on. All you need to do, as you can see here, you have a bit of problem getting this on, of course, over the lip. And what we've done is got a heat gun, and we're going to heat it until it's pliable that we can push it on. And as you can see, I've sort of filed on either side so it pushes on much easier. So it's pliable at the moment. So you push it on and then pull it back, it won't come off, and that's already on. So now the tubing that goes in the fitting that screws on, the outer bit is 8mm inside diameter, and you'll see how it works when we fit it on the pump sprayer. Anyway, we'll heat this. You've got to heat it up until it's practically melting. It seems to work much better. Takes a little while. As you can see, it's quite hot, and it's actually sort of bent over, and we're using a punch just to flare it out a little bit, but you could use a pencil or anything that will flare it out as well, and like that. And when it cools down, it'll be flared, and that will be right. So here we've got the bit that we got out of the pump sprayer, and it goes that way that we had it. I'll just line it up a bit. So now we get the tubing that we've made early on, we put it in the fitting like this. Make sure it's a little bit longer, that way you can sort of pull it through. As you can see, it's lined up there, and you line it up there, and as long as it's flush on it, you screw it on. Once you get going a little bit, I'll just get a spinner and tighten it up. Tighten up quite tight. Just a couple more, and it's done. And that's how it's done. And the excess tubing there, just all you need to do is just cut it flush with a Stanley knife or something like that. And I hope this helps with people. You can now connect anything that's got a hose quick connect, and well, I suppose that's about it.